Welcome back, boys and girls, to another edition of Joe Knows Stuff TV. In tonight's episode, we're going to be talking about Lightroom. It's going to be a short video just to introduce you to some of the features and what Lightroom does. Go to intro. Welcome back, boys and girls. In tonight's episode, I'm going to try to do a 5 to 7 minute video on the features of Lightroom and what it's all about. Lightroom is a file organizing and sorting software that every photographer needs. It also does the most amazing color editing, non-destructive color editing on the planet. No other program comes close. Alright, when you get Lightroom, it won't come with all this. It'll just be real plain. But it will have a way to make a catalog. You have to use a base catalog, and you can have many catalogs as long as you know where they are. The catalogs can't be lost. I recommend starting on a hard drive. You can import here. I'm going to go through all these features in short videos coming soon. Tonight is just a brief history or brief rundown on the features of Lightroom. You can see I've got 21,000 photographs in just this catalog. I've got 20 other catalogs. Now I've got my shortcuts here on the end panels so that I can find them easier. That doesn't come with Lightroom, but I've got a video showing you how you can put anything into these end panels, so check that out. Alright, you import from library, you develop and do your color editing in the develop module. You put GPS coordinates on your map module. Now if you have a phone that you run into Lightroom, it'll automatically have GPS, especially an iPhone. It'll automatically have GPS on it. But if you don't, you can map your photos with this service here. You have to be connected to the internet though. The book actually makes books. I mean, it's really cool. Lightroom has its own service called Blurb that makes some really good quality books for like a big one's $170, and that's not bad considering it's really good paper. Slideshow makes the most awesome slideshows of any software out there. Print sends it to printers, or you can get printers to, professional printers to print your work via sending them PDFs or huge files. And the web designs web galleries for you to pay someone to host it for you. I'm not going to go into too much more than that for now, other than if you're a photographer, you need Lightroom. It's got all the tools, it's got all the stars to give your photographs ratings, it's got color ratings, it's got pick, it's got reject, face detect, gallery mode, or survey mode, compare mode, grid mode, and solo mode. It's just a really neat, if you want to export it to the web, it's the program. Just trust me on this. Adobe Joe is not steering you wrong. Lightroom is the program for anyone that wants to be a photographer. Alright, that's going to do it for tonight's episode on Joe Knows Stuff TV. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please leave a like. Hit that little bell icon so you can find out more videos, because now that I'm off of work, I can't work because of the virus. I'm going to be making a lot of videos on Lightroom, Photoshop, how to take pictures, just photography channel all around. Till next time, Joe Knows Stuff TV is out.